Hello everybody. So just a quick mention, I wanted to show you how to do this a little bit more closely, how to switch from one computer to the other computer using one monitor. Now this does not alleviate your need for two keyboards or two mouses. Actually it's mouses or mice, either way works. But if you just have one monitor and you want to, switch from one monitor for one computer to the other monitor of the second computer, this is how you do that. Okay, first of all, you have to have the ports on the back of the monitor. So let me show you real quickly from the video that I already have up here. Watch this. What I did was this, because I have two systems, right? I got my Windows 7 system down here, and I also have the new Windows 10 system, the ABS system that I got. I connected both of them through the back of the ports, and all I got to do is switch from connector to connector using one of the these switches here in the back. It allows you to connect one particular system. Either you can switch to VGA or HDMI on the same monitor. You don't have to go get a KVM switch is right there. So that's what I'm talking about. So basically how that works here is this, okay? What you're gonna do is you go to your monitor down here, and you're gonna select the button. It's behind the monitor. This one's not greatly, not a great design, but you press the select button, and that pops up this. This is the type of lighting you want, sound. So what we want is this. This is gonna be the port selection. So you click on that, and then you could see here, you're going to use the up arrow or the down arrow to move this up and down, and then the check mark to select what you want. So since this new system that I have is connected through HDMI, that's perfect. But my other system, if I want to, let me bring it back up here. If I want to, I could just simply move this button up, and then check, and then that goes right to my secondary system. Now, since it's not turned on, it's not going to show it, but you know what I mean, okay? It would show right on that. No signal detected. So now if I want to go back to my new system, I just press the select button again. Select. Okay, there's a little bit of a delay. There you go. Select, and then I'm going to select the HDMI port right there. And then it will automatically pop up with the new system right there. Okay, so that's how you switch from one monitor to another monitor, from one computer to another computer. Okay, bye.